Hello world, this is Angga from Indonesia and good night. So it's about 10 p.m. from Indonesia. Well, today I have new video for you about Flexbox. Okay, so we will learn how to use the Flexbox in our website design. So we got the flashback here. Why UI designers should learn how to code? Yeah, you know, code is important things for developer or development. That's why if we are designer learn how to code, it's make our developer easy. You know what I mean? If you are studying about the how to code about the HTML, CSS or JavaScript, you will understand how the actually website design working properly. Okay, so you make a design, it's not complicated but it's really working properly in the development process. That's why we need to learn how to code. And I only know about HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and I have not learned about the Flexbox. So my friend told me today in this morning, hey, uh, do you ever use the Flexbox? Huh? Flexbox, what is that? And I'm looking for the Flexbox in Google, and I got one website and two websites. So this one website, how to get started with the Flexbox. So Flexbox is layout mode is poised to redefine how we do layout in CSS. Maybe if you are beginner in HTML and CSS, you are designing the website with the div class with the native HTML and CSS, or you will use the framework like a Bootstrap, Foundation, or Semantic. By using the Flexbox, it's so easy. Okay, well, if you want to design the website like the columns like this, we have the nav and we have the section with the header, and this is the content. We can use the Flexbox and it's so easy. In the HTML5, maybe we have the section and we have the article, but right now if we are using the division like this div, okay, you will need the Flexbox to make it more easier. Okay, so I have another website, paulon.co.uk/css flexbox. This website help us how to use the Flexbox basically. So I will show you how it works. First, we need the Sublime text. No, it's not about Sublime. It's about text editor that provides about HTML, CSS, and currently I'm using the Sublime version 3, but it's not unregistered. But it's okay. We can buy or not, but we still use this application free. So we're gonna to new file and save as. I'm going to create the folder into my desktop, Flexbox, and index.html. So we're gonna to make the basic structure for the HTML5 and learn Flexbox with Angga risky. Okay, and then of course we need the another file which is style main.css, but you need to create new folder first to make it more organized. So css and main.css like this. Cool. So we're gonna to setting the body first, margin 0, padding 0, and font family is Arial. I will use the Arial. Cool. So we're gonna to test by using the p. Hey, I am learning Flexbox. Save and click right to open in browser. So this our first document. Yeah, it doesn't matter. So we use the basic of Flexbox right now. First, we need to create the structure of HTML here. Container. Okay. And I need the div item. Like this. And this is the, oops, my mistake. Item 1. We need to copy and paste. Okay, like this. And this is item 2 and this is item 3. So we have 3 items here. Oops. We have 3 items here. And then we just need to make it more beautiful with the CSS. So container, and we need the background, maybe we can use ABC, and then we need the display flex. Save it and let's try, and we don't get anything here. So we are working with the item first, but I forgot to connecting our CSS here. Oops, link rel and CSS main.css, and go back to CSS and we're setting the item with 100 and the height 100, and the background maybe we can use the red color. Save it and you will get like this, but there's no margin for each item. That's why we need to setting our margin. You can use the auto like this, it's gonna be divide with the center, or you can use the maybe 20 pixel and it's gonna be like this. I prefer like 20 pixel. Okay, so basically if you are using the flex here like the container, this is for the container wrapping up your item in inside of container. You have the children 1, 2 and 3. It's called the children, so this is the parents. Okay, container is parents and the items is children. So I want to make it different, so I will use make the red cut with the background is red. No, and yellow, background is yellow, and the last one is blue, background is blue. Okay, so just go to item and here red and here yellow and here blue. We can save it and we got like this. Okay, so I just wanted to make it different, so just it. Okay, and then we have another properties in Flexbox that I want to show you. So you are still remember about this is container, it's a parent. So I have another properties for the parents. Okay, so it's called flex direction. Direction row we can like this, but it nothing changed because the default of the direction from the parent is row. But we have another, maybe you want to know row reverse like this. So we start it from the right and the box changes from number 1, 2, 3, and if we don't reverse it, it's going to be like this. Okay, so it's called reverse. And The question is, can we make it to the bottom? Yes, you can. Row, it's mean like this, but bottom, it's called the column. Save it, and like this. And inside of column, we have reverse. Like this, okay? So whenever you add another box, you will like this, or you can make it 2 row without reverse. Okay, so it's so easy. So I want to make it the width, maybe we have the 400 like this. Okay, it's cool, right? It's called grid or layout in every website design. Well, another question is, can we make the responsive website design in the Flexbox? Yes, you can. How to do that? Just like this, wrap, and if we know wrap, we can save and go back to Opera, and then if like this, it's not responsive. Okay, so I want to make it responsive, so just wrap and like this, so it's responsive. Okay, but something wrong here. I need to check out first. Okay, so I want to change, maybe the item should be $100. Okay, so yeah, it's gonna be responsive like this. And we have another property, which is the wrap reverse. Okay, so pay attention. We have 6 box. If we make it, it's gonna be to the top. The responsive start from the top, but if we don't reverse it, the layout change from start from the bottom like this. Okay, so it make us easy to use the Flexbox for website design, especially for responsive website design. But to be honest, I'm still learning this Flexbox, so we can learn together. And the last one, from getting started with the Flexbox, I have the another properties is called Flex Flow. We don't need this again. Okay, so we don't need this again, just make it common. Flex Flow, maybe you want to make it column and wrap. Save it and like this. Okay, but it's nothing changed, so we can use another property. Maybe I want to make it to the row and wrap. Save it, and it's gonna be responsive. Do you understand what I mean? So we don't need write flex direction or flex wrap. We just need to use the flex flow, and this is the the value from the property, which is flex direction, and the last one is wrap from the flex wrap. Okay, so if you don't want to make it responsive, just like this and like this, but it's not good. Well, I think it's enough for getting started, and in the next video maybe we can learn another technique about the Flexbox. So thank you very much for watching this video tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe Angga. So nice to meet you from Indonesia. Goodbye.